Dyna, we are your trusted partner in delivering indoor air quality since 1982. Our gel-filled Mini-pleat HEPA filters have been developed to deliver high airflows at low pressure drops while ensuring zero installation leakages. They are designed keeping energy saving in mind while operating across a range of pressure drops in critical applications. The frame of the filter is a sandblasted aluminium extruded section case. A high-efficiency microglass filter media is mated to the frame with a leak-proof polyurethane-based adhesive sealant. A hot melt glue separator keeps the pleats uniformly in place for maximum filtration efficiency. The Gel Seal HEPA filter comes with a powder-coated aluminium expanded mesh face guard to keep the media in place during both usage and replacement. A polyurethane-based bacteriostatic gel filled in the seal track provides zero leakages. To ensure this, all filters are individually tested based on EN 1822 based oil thread leak test. Efficiencies of these filters range from 99.95% to 99.99995%. For efficient installation, Dyna's robust, heavy-duty housings are used, which are leak-free pressure-tested sealing modules with room-side replaceable filters. This ensures guaranteed performance and risk-free economical performance in applications ranging from sterile manufacturing, pharmaceutical, biosafety labs, data centers, panel display manufacturing, semiconductors, food and beverages, aerospace, among many others.